Hello and welcome guys. Today I'll show you how to create a stunning mosaic portrait effect on an image, a quick and the easiest way. So let's get started. To create a beautiful mosaic effect, we will create a mosaic pattern with images. And for that, collect all the images which you want to use for mosaic pattern and put all images in one folder, and we will give the folder name source. Here 3 points should be considerable: number of images in source folder, same image dimension of each image in source folder, and size of mosaic pattern document. Let's see the first one. How many images should have in the source folder? So if you want to make a square mosaic pattern, then it should have the same number of columns and rows. And the number of columns multiplied by number of rows gives us the number of images. For example, 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25 images and 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49 images. But if you want to make a portrait or landscape mosaic pattern, then you can calculate how many columns and rows I want in my mosaic pattern in this way. Now the second one is same image dimension. It is necessary that all the images for the mosaic pattern are in the same dimensions so that the mosaic pattern becomes seamless. The next step is how to make all images in the same dimension. We can do this by very simple and accurate way. In Photoshop, create a new document of your desired dimensions, go to File menu and select New. Now enter a desired dimension which you want to make for all your source folder images. I will enter the value of width and height both 2000 pixels. Resolution 300 pixels. And click on Create button. And now go to source folder and select all your images. Now drag and drop on this document. Now reset the image by dragging this corner handle and click enter. Do this one by one for your all images. Once you are done with that, go to File menu, Export and go to Layers to Files. Export Layers to Files dialog box will appear. Select the destination where you want to save your resized images. Now create a new folder and give it to new name Resize. Then select it and click on OK button. Visible layers only option should be unticked. Select the file type JPEG and click on Run. Click on OK button. Now we can see that in Resize folder, all images have exported in same dimension. We will delete this image. And now first come up to File menu and select Automate and go over to Context Sheet 2. Then a Context Sheet 2 dialog box will open. First click on Reset button. Here the first part is about source images. We will select here folder option and click on choose option for select our source folder. Here source folder name is resize. Select it and click on OK button. Then the next part is about mosaic pattern document. From here we can choose our mosaic pattern document size, resolution and other few details. Units. There are 3 options here: inches, centimeter and pixels. I will go with pixels. You can select whichever you want. Next option is width and height. It can be decided by your image dimensions. We want to make a square mosaic pattern document where 5 columns and 5 rows. So if we will crop or resize our all images in 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels dimensions, then our square mosaic pattern document size will be 10,000 pixels by 10,000 pixels. 2000 pixels width multiplied by 5 rows is equal to 10,000 pixels width, and 2000 pixels height multiplied by 5 columns is equal to 10,000 pixels height. Resolution 300 pixels. If here flatten all layers option is checked, then unchecked it. Mode RGB color and bit depth 8 bit. Now next part is about thumbnails. The first option is place. Here we have 2 choices, across first and down first. We will select across first. Column numbers 5, row numbers 5. Now next option is rotate for best fit. If you have portrait and landscape both type of images in your source folder, then check this option, otherwise remain unchecked. Unchecked, use auto spacing option and remain vertical and horizontal value 1, which is by default. Use file name as caption. Here uncheck this option, otherwise file name also appears on mosaic pattern document, like this. Here number of images, columns and rows should have in required number, otherwise some parts of the document will remain blank. When all desired settings is set, then click on OK. Now Photoshop will organize all images in a document and create a mosaic pattern. And we can see that our all images are adjusted very seamlessly in our square mosaic pattern document. Now the next step is to save this document as a pattern. Go to Edit and select Define Pattern options. Give a name to it like mosaic pattern and click the OK button. Now you can see this pattern in pattern option. So first step is completed to create mosaic portrait effect photo. Now we will go to our main image where we want to apply this effect. Convert the background layer into the smart object. Right click on background layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Now we will create an adjustment layer, and for that we will go down to Create New Fill Adjustment Layer option and select Pattern, and Pattern Fill dialog box will open. From here we can control pattern scale. Let's reduce it to 50% and OK. We will change opacity and decrease it to 25%. We can do more with pattern scale. Double click on layer thumbnail and reduce scale value to under 10%. We decrease it to 5%. Now select our main image layer and go over to Image and Adjustments and select Shadows Highlights option. A Shadows Highlights dialog box will appear. From here we can control shadows and highlights. When you will have your desired setting, then click on OK. Now you can see our main image has a beautiful mosaic effect. Hey guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe us. And yes, if you have any questions or suggestions, please post in the comment box. And don't forget to give thumbs up. Thanks for watching guys.